How to turn on TikTok profile view history on your TikTok mobile application. I will do this tutorial on Android and you can follow along the tutorial on iOS device as well. A prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have already updated your TikTok application to its latest version. All you need to do is just to consult both Play Store or App Store depending on your device. And before we start this tutorial proper, I will have to ask you to subscribe and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First up, just open your TikTok application from your mobile phone. From your TikTok application. Now that you have already entered it, all you need to do is just head on your profile on the bottom right. Okay, and next to your username, there's an eye icon. All you need to do is just to click on it. And that's the profile views for you. And now if you wanted to configure it, like for example, you can turn it on or off. All you need to do is just to click on the gear icon on the top right. Now if you wanted to turn it off, all you need to do is just to toggle it. If you wanted to turn it back on, then just toggle it on. So basically the profile view history usage is for you to be able to monitor or view the last 30 days visit of your profile from other TikTok users. If you turn it off, then you cannot see whoever views your profile. It's similar to LinkedIn or Twitter or whatever. Now if you wanted to turn it on, you will be able to see which TikTok users view your profile in the last 30 days. Okay, and that's the feature. And that's pretty much how to turn on TikTok profile view history on your TikTok mobile application. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topic that you want us at TechTrex to cover, also please put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, and I hope this tutorial helps you. And until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.